Real estate investing is a great way to build wealth, create passive income streams, and achieve financial freedom. Unlike other investments like stocks and bonds, real estate investing offers several benefits, including potential cash flow, tax benefits, and appreciation. However, investing in real estate requires knowledge, planning, and dedication. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to start investing in real estate, including the different types of real estate investments, how to choose the right investment strategy, and how to find the right property. Welcome, friends, to the OFLU Wealth TV YouTube channel. If you're new to our community, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell to stay updated on our latest amazing videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your goals. Defining your goals is essential in any investment, and real estate is no exception. Having a clear understanding of your investment goals can help you make better decisions and stay focused on achieving your desired outcomes. Here are some of the reasons why it is essential to define your goals in real estate investment. Number 1. Clarity. Defining your goals helps you gain clarity about what you want to achieve through your real estate investment. This clarity can help you make better decisions, avoid distractions, and stay focused on your long-term objectives. Number 2. Risk management. Defining your goals can help you manage risk by setting clear boundaries for what you are willing to invest in and what you are not. This can help you avoid investing in properties that do not align with your goals or are outside of your comfort zone. Number 3. Monitoring progress. Defining your goals also allows you to measure your progress and adjust your strategy accordingly. Regularly reviewing your goals and tracking your progress can help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments to achieve your desired outcomes. Step 2. Assess your financial situation. Assessing your financial situation is a crucial step in real estate investment. Here are some reasons why it's important to assess your financial situation before investing in real estate. Number 1. Understanding your capacity. Assessing your financial situation will give you a clear understanding of your financial capacity to invest in real estate. It will help you determine how much money you can afford to invest, the level of risk you can handle, and the financing options available to you. Number 2. Making informed decisions. When you know your financial situation, you can make informed decisions about the type of property to invest in, the location, and the financing options that are best suited for you. This will help you avoid making investment decisions that may result in financial losses. Number 3. Avoiding financial strain. Assessing your financial situation will help you avoid the financial strain that may arise from investing beyond your financial capacity. It will also help you to maintain a healthy cash flow and ensure that you can meet your financial obligations. Number 4. Maximizing returns. By assessing your financial situation, you can identify the investment opportunities that are best suited to your financial capacity and investment goals. This will help you to maximize your returns on investment and achieve your financial objectives. Step 3. Research the real estate market. When it comes to investing in real estate, researching the market is an important step in the process. This research involves analyzing both the local market where you plan to invest and the broader national market. By understanding market trends, you can make informed decisions about where and when to invest in real estate. One of the first things to look for when researching the real estate market is housing prices. This includes both the current price of homes and the trends over time. By looking at historical data, you can identify if housing prices are rising or falling in a particular area. This information can help you determine if it's a good time to buy or sell a property. Rental rates are another important factor to consider. If you plan to invest in rental properties, you need to understand the current rental rates in the area where you plan to buy. This information can help you determine the potential rental income for a property, which is essential when assessing its profitability. Step 4. Choose a real estate investment strategy. Based on your goals, financial situation, and market research, you can start to narrow down your real estate investment strategy. Here are a few common strategies to consider. Number 1. Rental properties. With rental properties, you purchase a property and rent it out to tenants, generating passive income through rent payments. Number 2. House flipping. House flipping involves buying a property, making renovations, and selling it for a profit. This can be a more hands-on investment strategy, but can offer higher returns in a shorter time frame. Number 3. Real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts are a type of investment fund that owns and operates income-producing real estate. Real estate investment trusts are a good option for investors who want to invest in real estate without the hassle of owning and managing properties. Step 5. Create a real estate investment plan. Once you've chosen a real estate investment strategy, it's time to create a plan. This should include your investment goals, budget, timeline, and criteria for selecting properties. For rental properties, your plan should also include details about the type of property you're looking for, as well as projected rental income and expenses. If you're flipping houses, your plan should include details about the types of renovations you plan to make, your budget for renovations, and your target sale price. Step 6. Network with real estate professionals. Building a strong network with real estate professionals can be incredibly valuable for individuals looking to invest in real estate. There are several reasons why having a network of professionals in the real estate industry is important for successful real estate investing. Number 1. Access to information. Real estate professionals, such as real estate agents, brokers, appraisers, and property managers, have access to valuable information that can help investors make informed decisions. They can provide insights into market trends, property values, rental rates, and other relevant data that can influence investment decisions. Number 2. Access to deals. Real estate professionals can also provide access to off-market deals that may not be available to the general public. This can give investors a competitive advantage and help them find properties that meet their investment criteria. Number 3. Expertise. Real estate professionals have specialized knowledge and expertise in their respective fields, which can be invaluable for investors. For example, a real estate attorney can provide legal advice on contracts and other legal matters, while a property manager can offer insights into tenant screening and property maintenance. Number 4. Networking opportunities. Building relationships with real estate professionals can also lead to additional networking opportunities. Investors can meet other investors, lenders, and service providers who can help them achieve their investment goals. Number 5. Peace of mind. Finally, working with experienced and knowledgeable real estate professionals can provide investors with peace of mind. They can rest assured that they are making informed decisions and taking the necessary steps to protect their investments. Step 7. Start small and build from there as a beginner. Starting small and building from there is crucial for anyone, especially beginners, in the real estate industry. Here are some reasons why. Number 1. Minimizes risk. Starting small in real estate helps you minimize your risk. It enables you to test the waters, learn about the market, and see how things work without risking too much capital. It's a good way to get your feet wet and gain some experience without going all in. Number 2. Build experience. Starting small allows you to build experience in the industry gradually. You can learn from your mistakes and grow your knowledge base as you go along. This experience will come in handy as you expand your real estate business. Number 3. Provides financial flexibility. Starting small also provides financial flexibility. It allows you to start with a small investment and reinvest your profits as you go. As your business grows, you can gradually increase your investment and take on more significant projects. Number 4. Helps develop networks. Starting small helps you develop networks in the industry. You can establish relationships with other real estate investors, agents, and other professionals that will help you as you grow your business. Number 5. Keeps you focused. Starting small keeps you focused on the fundamentals of real estate investing. It helps you develop a sound investment strategy and stick to it as you expand your business. Thank you for watching today's video. I look forward to seeing you again soon at the next one. Goodbye.